Dispatch 213, you clear for traffic?
His hand's out of his pockets. You got anything? Do me a favor, just put your hands in your pockets. You got anything on you?
10-4, 27 is returning Kari Anthony Gordon out of Greenville, showing no suspension, no disqualification, identification only, -29s.
Keep your hands out of your pockets.
Running that by VN, returns 2001 Nissan Altima in color, stolen out of Greenville.
Shots fired! Dispatch, shots fired! Yeah! Shots fired!
10-4, we got 600 units.
Dispatch, I'm shot! I can't get up, I'm shot!
Get in the med unit now.
Come on, come on. Behind the car. Behind the car. Oh, get in the car. Get in the car.
Just get something to put something on this.
Get in, go. Get in. Get in. Jump in. Jump in with your legs.
I can't move, man. I was shot. Call EMS. Come on, I'm gonna bleed out. Call EMS.
I need a med unit. Zaxby. Got a med unit en route. Two officer shot. 3213, is he still there? Flat on foot, over towards the hotel. On foot? He flat on foot towards the hotel. Armed. 10-4.
I'm gonna bleed out, man. Come on. I'm gonna bleed out.
I need to take you right now.
No, just EMS.
Dispatch 213.
Go ahead.
Which unit's gonna be injured?
204.
And 213. That's 10-4.
That silver car is his car. He fled on foot behind that.
I was shot. I'm shot. I'm shot in my side, man. You gotta get some pressure on me, man, or something. I'm gonna bleed out. I'm gonna bleed out, brother.
Get over here.
I know.
Lay down.
I'm gonna bleed out, man.
You ain't gonna bleed
out.
You keep an eye on things. How's your hand?
My right hand. I can't shoot. Can you get my pistol out? Can you take it out and I'll put it in my left hand?
I came up, he was getting his hands out of his pockets. He shot me.
204. Hey, where you need me at? Where is Zaxby's?
Let it block off Super 8.
Block off Super 8. What are we looking for?
You okay?
Yeah.
You got a knife on you? You got a knife on you? You got a knife on you?
No.
You need a knife? You got a knife?
You got a knife?
He's just shot in his avenue.
He got shot in the hand.